Ever dreamt of buying that shiny new Tesla, but worried the price tag keeps fluctuating with the exchange rate? Or maybe you've got your sights set on some hot US stocks and want to avoid those pesky conversion fees. If you're a Canadian investor using Wealthsimple, this question has probably crossed your mind. Can you hold US dollars, USD, in your account? The answer, like most things in finance, isn't a simple yes or no. But fear not, investing comrades. We're here to untangle the web of Wealthsimple's USD options and show you exactly how to store your greenbacks, or should we say greenbacks to be, for future investing endeavors. Now, for those of you who are new to Wealthsimple, it's primarily a Canadian investment platform. This means their default is, well, Canadian dollars, CAD. So, if you deposit money, it'll automatically sit in CAD unless you take specific steps. But what if you're like us and crave the flexibility of USD? Here's where things get interesting. Wealthsimple actually offers USD accounts, but there's a catch, isn't there always? These fancy USD accounts aren't available to everyone. Here's the breakdown. Free USD accounts for Wealthsimple Premium and Generation clients. If you're a high roller with a Wealthsimple Premium or Generation account, congratulations. You automatically qualify for free USD accounts. These mirror your CAD accounts, so you'll have a separate USD version of your TFSA, RRSP, and personal accounts. USD accounts for regular folks, with a fee now. For the rest of us mortals, there is a paid option. You can subscribe to USD accounts for a monthly fee. This gives you access to those sweet USD accounts, allowing you to deposit, withdraw, and trade in USD directly. So, how do you actually get your hands on USD in Wealthsimple? There are a few ways. Transfer from another institution. If you have USD sitting pretty in another investment account, you can transfer it directly to your Wealthsimple USD account. This is the most cost-effective option since there are no sneaky conversion fees involved. Deposit USD directly. For Premium and Generation clients, the high rollers get another perk. They can deposit USD directly into their USD accounts from a USD bank account held at a Canadian financial institution. Currency conversion, ouch, this is where things get a little pricey. If you don't have USD readily available, you can convert your CAD to USD within Wealthsimple. Be warned though, Wealthsimple charges a 1.5% conversion fee on top of their standard foreign exchange rate. So, this option is best reserved for those times when you absolutely need USD and don't have another way to get it. Here are some additional things to keep in mind. USD accounts are for self-directed investing only. If you're using Wealthsimple Invest, their automated investing service, you're out of luck on the USD front. USD accounts are currently only available for self-directed investing accounts. Norbert's Gambit not allowed. While some folks use a strategy called Norbert's Gambit to avoid conversion fees, Wealthsimple doesn't currently allow this technique. The verdict, to USD or not to USD? The decision to hold USD in Wealthsimple depends on your investment goals and risk tolerance. Benefits: holding USD can be a good hedge against currency fluctuations, especially if you're eyeing US stocks. It also eliminates the conversion fee hassle when buying US assets. Drawbacks: there are fees involved, whether it's the monthly subscription cost for regular accounts or the conversion fee for everyone else. Plus, USD accounts are only available for self-directed investing, which requires more research and effort on your part. Ultimately, the choice is yours. Weigh the pros and cons, consider your investment strategy, and decide if the flexibility of USD is worth the extra cost. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing.